Well, it snowed last night. Got about 7 inches of snow out here. I'm gonna go over and start this 82 Chevy up. I'm gonna get that warmed up while we go and try to get some snow moved. First, I gotta go try to fix the snow. Don't be peeing on the camera, Lolly. First, I gotta go try to fix the snowblower. The big one, because I haven't used it yet this year. Oh, there's a drift there. Oh, that's a big drift. Look at that. Up to the door, up to the license plates on the door. Runs really good now. After she went down to the doctor, got some medicine. She works pretty good now. Hopefully the snowblower works as good as that. You're not gonna like this, kitty kitty. You're not gonna like the sound of this. I know that. I'll just make sure it starts. I just found one laying down in there. Probably the same design as the one that broke on there already, but we'll put that one on and see if it helps. It's only going to run on choke right now, I guess. So I'm going to put some more gas in it. I'm going to put some seafoam in it. I'm going to take it outside and let it run. Here's why the snowblower didn't want to run right. Because of that. And it was like water coming out of it when somehow it was running still. But it wasn't running very well, so We'll clean this bowl up, clean these jets out in here, and we'll go spray some stuff up on the, I left the carburetor on there outside, and we'll go try to see if we can bring it back to life. I'm gonna try to blow out the bottom of the carburetor here with some carburetor spray. I got the bowl nice and clean, so we're gonna try to clean that out here because I want to go to church and do snow. It's still kind of snowing, but I want to go get the majority of it done while it's daylight. And I feel like I'm gonna need this snowblower because the other one does not work good either. We're just gonna leave it like that for now and go try to use it. It runs better than it did. Well, definitely gonna run better than it did because it got all that junk out of it. It's not running great. I'll pick up some more seafoam for it. Maybe I'll clear it up. Maybe it went. I was in there trying to get the main jet out, and then it seemed like something fell out of it. And it might have broke, but I couldn't find it in the snow. But I'm gonna go try it and see what happens. I'll report back. It's already starting to melt on the sidewalks here, so that's good. Just gonna touch up the ramp over here with the shovel. And, Yeah, touch up the ramp over here, and then go get some gas.